In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a credit card credit in QuickBooks Accountant. A credit card credit is the entry you use when a vendor refunds money back to your business credit card, such as for a return or correction. Before we start, know which card received the refund, the posting date, the amount, and which expense or item the original purchase used. Having those details ready will help keep your books clean and accurate. First, sign in to QuickBooks Accountant. Once you're in, open your client's company file. If you're practicing, open a sample company so you can follow along safely without changing any real data. Next, find the New button, either at the top left or in the left sidebar. Click New, then choose Credit Card Credit. This opens the form made for recording vendor refunds to a credit card. Complete the details on the form. For payee, select the vendor issuing the refund so the transaction stays tied to the right supplier. For credit card account, pick the exact business credit card that received the money back. Enter the credit date exactly as it appears on your card statement to keep reports and reconciliations accurate. In the category or item details area, decide where the refund should land. If the original purchase hit an expense account like office supplies, choose that same expense category so your totals are corrected. If you returned inventory, use item details so the refund flows through the product or service, and properly adjust quantities and cost. Enter the amount of the refund from the statement. Type the figure as a positive number. The form records it as a credit to the card. In the memo field, add a short note for context, such as the reason or a reference number, to help anyone reviewing the books. Take a moment to review each field so the refund matches your statement and the original purchase. When everything looks right, click Save and Close. QuickBooks will reduce the balance of the selected credit card and automatically adjust the related expense or inventory account. The result is accurate credit card liability, corrected spend on your profit and loss, and up-to-date inventory where applicable. During your next reconciliation, you'll see this credit next to the original charge, making it simple to confirm everything lines up. Keeping the vendor's credit note or receipt in your records also provides a clear audit trail for future reference, and that's all there is to it.